Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to use RustDesk, a free remote desktop program. First, you have to download it. To download it, go on your browser, then type in this RustDesk on Google search and open the first link. Here, you need to click on download. Once you're here, if you're using a 64-bit Windows computer, then you can click on this EXE, or you're using Mac or Android or using Linux. So we're using Windows, so we use this one. If you're using a 32-bit system, you can click on this one. Since we're using a 64-bit system, we click on this one. It'll automatically download, and after it downloads, save and install it. I already installed it, so the program will appear like so. Once you're here, the other person needs to do the same thing and have their RustDesk program installed. After they already installed it, they will see their ID and password. To gain control remote desktop, you will need their ID. So let them send the ID, it will be right over here, and you paste it over here, and then you click connect. Over the other side, they'll need to accept. So it will appear like so. Then they hit accept and you're done.